National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western White County in southeastern Illinois, southeastern Jefferson County in south-central Illinois, northern Saline County, Illinois, Hamilton County in south-central Illinois, Franklin County in south-central Illinois, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles south of Blueford to near Royalton, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include West Frankfort, Benton, Carmi, McLeansboro, Christopher, Rend Lake area, Setzer, Ziegler, Norris City, Royalton, Valier, West City, Enfield, Thompsonville, Ina, North City, Dahlgren, Buckner, Orient, and Hannaford. This includes Interstate 57 in Illinois between mile markers 63 and 84. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Franklin, Hamilton, Saline and White,